guys, welcome to another video. Today I have a very special unboxing. I have this, which is a brand new in box Maytag satellite. I never thought I'd be owning one of these, especially brand new in box. I've used one of these before briefly. It was a good friend of mine, Ollie's one, Ollie Fat Guy on YouTube, that's his channel. So if you haven't already, go and subscribe to him. But yeah, I've seen quite a few unboxings for these on YouTube, and so I thought I'd add my own. So here's the sides of the box. It's pink on that side, it's lime green on there, baby blue there. It just shows all the features of the cleaner, all the boring stuff that you guys probably already know by watching iBasics videos. But anyway, yeah, let's open up the box. I believe these are from around 2008 or so. So, you know, I've actually got a Hoover Constellation on hand as well, my mint one. But yeah, so let's open up the box and see what we've got. So first of all, out of the box we have the stretch hose. Now, shame I can't get another one of these, because I'll take the ends off and just put a normal hose in there. However, it does look like a Hoover Pure Power fitting. But anyway, we have the stretch hose, which is fairly long and it is distorted as well. I've just knocked my athlete over, Bosch athlete. So there's the hose. We have the dust bag, which I'm going to keep sealed in the packet. I'm not going to use the original bag that came with the cleaner either. That's already fitted. So I've got some bags that do actually fit this, but are not made for it. We have Maytag's own version of the Aero Brush, which is here. So here we go, our own version of an Aero Brush. I reckon this machine will be quite good with a straight suction nozzle as well. We have the hard floor parquet nozzle, which actually looks way bigger than the pneumatic one would, and it's got very nice soft brushes on that. So there's the hard floor parquet nozzle. Just put this one back in the bag, like that. And then we have the small tools, which are sealed in a bag, but I'm going to open them, because why not? I think the tools are exactly the same as a Henry, but, you know, if I want to use this, I bought it to use, I didn't buy it to keep it in the box. I'll keep it pretty mint, but I bought it to use, so, you know, I want to use it. This would be quite a quirky little vacuum to use, I think. So we've got the stair tool, which is pretty nice. Pretty much the same as a pneumatic one, if I'm honest. Dusting brush, which is again very soft, like the original pneumatic ones. The clip that goes on either the end of the hose, it doesn't go on the end of the hose. It goes on the back of the machine or somewhere else. I can't remember exactly where. And then we also have the crevice tool, which is actually shorter than the pneumatic one. So we'll put that up there as well. We have the instruction book, which we don't really need, if I'm honest. And then I think that's it. A little bit of polystyrene there, protecting the tube. And then that is it for the tools. So the tools all store in a box. Let me just put all the wrapping back in here for now, like so. Put the scissors over here. Next out of the box we have a bit of polystyrene, and wow, this machine is very smart. And that's where the other thing goes, the tool clip that goes on the tube. I thought it did. We have a very nice extension tube here, very nice. That's very smooth. That is Bloody lovely that. So there's the extension tube. Remember reading somewhere that you have to push these right in here for them to have good suction, but you know, we'll soon find out. I don't think I'll use the aero brush that came with this very much either. And then, last out of the box is the machine. So we'll just put all the packaging back in. Let's just unwrap the cleaner first. There is a sticker over the satellite branding on the handle, but I will leave that on. So yeah, that is very smart. I do like that. I really do like these cleaners. So yeah, this all goes in the box like so, and that can go in the loft out of the way. But yeah, here is the cleaner. It's very, very smart. Doesn't feel as heavy as a normal Constellation would. We've got the underneath. Any dates popping out? Nope, no dates. But yeah, I do like these cleaners so much. This one's actually got a cord clip on it. So, you know, let's just unwrap the cord. This has probably been sitting in a warehouse for like 10 years, I reckon. But yeah, it's so cool, these. I'm not sure if you can actually wrap the cable around the handle like the original. Actually, yeah, you can. Wrap the cable around the handle like the original Constellations, but I think I'll just wrap it around the base. But yeah, it is so cool. We've got the Maytag branding on the front with the protective stuff on it. Around the back, the cable comes out off centre, unlike the original ones that came out here. And we've got some tape on the clip, which actually looks like the original Hoover one. It's left loads of sticky residue on it. That's a bummer. That's a right bugger, that. After sitting for all this time, you've had to leave sticky residue on there. You bugger. Right, that will clean off anyway. But yeah, we'll just stick that in the bin. Oh, stuck to my window bag. There we go. That's it. So, flick that off. Just like the originals. That flips open. Bit squeaky. And then the bag comes out like so. So here's the bag. Won't be using that. They are very, very hard to get hold of. So I'll be putting that back into the box, because with my machines, especially pneumatics, I don't always use the original bags that come in the box. This is the filter grill. We have a microfilter, and then we have the 2000 watt screamer motor, which sits underneath. So let's just click that on, like so. And now these are the bags. Oh, P4. Let's turn on. These are the bags that apparently fit. They are Electrolux E82 bags by For Your Home, which is Qualtex. So apparently these fit. Called in to good friend Ollie. So if they don't, it'll be a waste of £6. But oh well. So apparently these just slide in like that, which they do. So I think this top bit, let's snap that top bit off, like that. They slide in like so. There we go. Are actually bags for uprights. That's it, put it in like that. There we go. These are actually upright vacuum bags, so they kind of fit better. And you can kind of see the rubber seal actually. if they fit better this way, just so it can still lines up. I'll just put them in the other way. Bugger. I'm surprised HEPA-Flows don't fit these actually. I reckon you could fit them to it. But, you know, oh well. But yeah, there we go. That fits in there. That should create a nice seal. And they should fill up nicely. I'm actually going to take these off. Yeah, I'll take these off. I'll put them in the box though. Put them in the box. Actually, that's it. Take that one off as well. There we go. That is so nice. I really like these cleaners. Now, the tools go on. The hose goes on. Rather. Hang on. Hopefully this will fit in. Hang on. It goes in like that. It doesn't actually go in because it doesn't line up and it just sits outside. So, looks like we're going to have to modify these real quick. Scissors. Right, let's just chop a slight edge off this. Like that, there we go. Chop that off. That should fit now better. That's it. All you have to do is just chop that little edge off. We'll chop that in there. And then that fits on there, like that. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Crevice tool, of course, goes on there. And I can see this getting absolutely scratched up. The tool caddy thing just goes on the back there, like so. Crevice tool, I'd say, goes there. Actually, how does the tools go on it? Crevice tool goes on one side, like that. Or does it? Yeah, it goes on one side. That goes there, and the dusting brush goes there, like that. So that goes on there like that. And with the Constellation, the hose wrapped around it like that, that will look so cool, like that. So let's plug it in and see if she will fire up for the first time in about 10 years. Hopefully she don't blow up. So I plug it in and it smells carbony, but it is new. It did make like a noise first. I thought, oh no, might have seized, but it's a slow start, so you know. That is very powerful. So let's just put the wand on, and then the airbrush, like so. Extend the wand and put hard floor over there, hard floor tool over there. Watch the cable out of the way, and let's give it a go. This hose is kind of tangled. Not a very good hose actually. But anyway, here we go. That works very well. And the floor is actually very hot now as well. So yeah, I'm not actually going to use that airbrush much to clean with this, or the hard floor tool. I'll probably just keep those in the box. Let's just dust this off. Yeah, I'll probably just keep these in. Actually, no, I might use that So that is very nice. That's a very nice tool. And that actually will clip on the back as well. So I'll probably put that on there like that. And then have that as well somewhere. On top of the crevice tool, like that. There we go. So you can put all the tools on board as well, which is good. But you can also put the tools on the wand, like so. And I'll just take this monstrosity off. You know, that goes on there like that, but I don't really like having vacuum tools on wands. They just look quite messy, if I'm honest. So, you know, but yeah, I'm very pleased with this. It's very good, very nice. And after using Ollie's one as well, I do like these very much. That goes on there, and then that goes on there. But yeah, there we go. There's a Maytag Satellite. What I'm going to do just before we end the video, I'm going to test it out with the Lewis floor tool. Where is it? Hang on. What? So this kind of EU tool with a metal base, which goes with a Lewis, pneumatic Lewis. All tools are 32mm, which is good and I like. I do like a straight suction head over a turbo head, but you know, here we go. Floats very well. Yeah, that is one good vacuum. I do like that a lot, and I might actually vacuum around with it today instead of using my current daily, which is a pneumatic James. But yeah, I am impressed with this, so I'm going to leave the cable out actually. And yeah, it will go with an original Constellation. So here's the original Constellation for preference, which actually feels much smaller. But yeah, there we go. There is the Maytag Satellite. Here's an original Hoover Constellation. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more videos on the channel, and thank you for watching.